What you're watching right now, the animation, the character design, the motion, the sound effects, even the subtitles, was produced using a single free tool. And what's even more surprising is that I nearly overlooked it. Just 2 days ago, there was widespread excitement around a platform offering free video animation features. As often happens, that feature was quickly moved behind a paywall. But in this case, that shift worked in my favor. Instead of settling, I continued exploring. And what I found is far more advanced. This tool goes beyond simple animation. It allows you to generate images, convert them into cinematic 3D-style videos using powerful AI models, integrate sound effects, add captions, and edit your entire project timeline all within one unified platform. And as of now, it remains completely free. However, if there's one pattern we've seen repeatedly, it's that tools like this don't stay free indefinitely. So if you're planning to use it, the best time is right now. In this video, I'll guide you step by step, from a blank concept to a fully produced animated video without spending a single dollar. Make sure you stay until the end, because I'll reveal one simple technique that can dramatically elevate your final result, yet very few creators are using it. Let's begin. Every compelling animation starts with a foundation, a story. And here's the advantage. You don't even need to write it yourself. By using AI tools like ChatGPT, you can instantly generate a complete story along with everything required to bring it to life visually. With the right prompt, you'll receive a full script, a consistent character profile, detailed image generation instructions, and structured prompts for each scene of your video. Everything is organized, ready to use, and optimized for production. At this point, many people assume they need multiple tools: an image generator, a video editor, a sound library, and captioning software. But that's no longer necessary. You can handle everything in one place using Google Vids. This is a relatively new addition to the Google ecosystem that remains largely under the radar, and its capabilities are impressive. Within a single interface, you can generate images, animate them into cinematic videos using powerful AI models, integrate sound effects, add captions, and edit your entire project timeline without leaving the platform and without any cost. Let's start with the first step, creating your character. Take the character description and image prompt you generated earlier, combine them, and input them into the image generator within Google Vids. Select your desired aspect ratio, I recommend 16:9 for YouTube, and generate your image. Once it's ready, review it carefully. Pay attention to the design, color balance, and overall consistency with your vision. This step is crucial, as this image will serve as the visual foundation for your entire animation. Next, transform that static image into a dynamic scene. With a single click, you can convert your image into a video using advanced AI animation models. Then, take your first scene prompt and input it into the system. Within seconds, your character comes to life. You'll notice movement, camera transitions, environmental effects, and even dialogue with synchronized lip movements, all generated automatically. What makes this especially powerful is that everything is created from a single prompt: voice, sound design, and visuals combined. From here, the workflow becomes straightforward. For each new scene, simply take the next prompt, paste it into the generator, and produce the clip. Each segment builds upon the previous one, maintaining character consistency while progressing the narrative. Different camera angles, new environments, evolving soundscapes, all handled seamlessly. Repeat this process until your full sequence is complete. At this stage, you'll have a fully assembled animated video, but there's one key element that can significantly boost viewer engagement: captions. Inside Google Vids, captions can be generated automatically with a single click. The system analyzes your video, transcribes the dialogue, and synchronizes the text precisely. No manual editing required. Once everything is finalized, exporting is simple. Download your project as an MP4 file, and your video is ready to publish. No expensive software, no subscriptions, no prior experience needed. If you found this valuable, consider subscribing. I regularly explore emerging AI tools and share the most powerful ones, especially while they're still accessible for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
turtle! Where are you? Please come back!